For me, my home is a sanctuary, so to be able to retreat back into an environment that makes you feel grounded, to rest and relax, to really evoke different senses of creativity and relaxation. I want people to be transported into a space where they feel one with nature, where they can stop for a moment and enjoy and meditate. Even within city limits, weather can change quite vastly from one location to the next. In researching plants for this specific location, we knew that we needed to use all frost-resistant plants, as this area does frost even though it's located just south of the bay. So it was really important to us to make sure that we're providing a plant palette that's going to work very well with the environment in which it's going to live and thrive. Just going to the nurseries and hand selecting one by one, making sure that each plant was really beautiful and ready to go to be placed inside this living wall. Anyone that knows me knows I love bright and beautiful and bold things, and so we use inspirations of natural ecosystems within our designs. We're surrounded by patterns, and so to layer those on top of some of the work we do, one lends itself to the other.
It just naturally occurs as like perfect science. And we designed it specially so that it does captivate.
You know what, I think new growth is going to be really good.
For instance, we have like undulating swaths of grasses that draw a viewer in, and when you see it from an angle, you could see kind of like waves of grass, and we try to imitate a natural meadow.
It leads you through the space.
Everyone I work with is so talented, and I think people are so dedicated to the craft of working with plants. Do you want to put the swirls in?
Put another catul in there. A very Northern California feel back here with a lot of different colors and textures, which is what we wanted.
Oh wait, this guy's over here.
We love really good energy going into the plants that we're putting in, giving them a lot of love. We really feel like that energy resonates with the plants, and who doesn't like a good dance party?
I'm having this relationship with this staghorn.
Rosemary up here for the grill, that's right behind me, so we can just pluck a little off and put it right on the grill, ready for your chicken, beef, or vegetables.
This wall has 4,664 plants, and it's a little over 70 species of plants, and it's the largest wall we've ever done. It's huge. I love the idea of having a piece of art that evolves.
While you're living in your home and look out your window, you're going to see something that's constantly new and sprouting new leaves and new flowers. And with the seasons, you're going to get new colors that are swathed and ribboned throughout the living wall. And it can evolve and change so much. I love that you can just give them a little bit of love and they'll give so much back to you.
I love looking at something and then having to look at it again and rethink it and be like, oh, well, how is that made or how is it done? That's kind of how I feel about how we design our plant walls. It's like I want people to be kind of like mystified when they see it all together. You could see the whole piece from afar and see this grand picture, but then it kind of attracts the viewer to come up close and look at the fine details and the textures of it. I think that surprise factor is what makes me feel very excited and me feel emotional when I look at a plant wall. I'm a crazy plant lady.
We see plants as our paint and walls as our canvas. It's kind of like that.
Plants are just hot right now.